If you use Telegram frequently, you might be part of multiple groups and want to keep your phone number private. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your phone number on Telegram so other users in groups or chats can't see it. First, open the Telegram app. Now, from the home screen, tap on the three-line menu in the top corner. It will be different in every phone. Here, in my mobile phone, direct show the settings. Go to Settings and scroll down slowly, then tap on Privacy and Security. Here, select Phone Number. You'll see options like Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. To fully hide your number, simply choose Nobody. You can also control who can find you using your number by adjusting the second option below. Once done, your phone number will stay hidden, even in Telegram groups or chats. Only your username will be visible. This is one of the most useful Telegram privacy settings to protect your personal information. And that's it. Quick and simple.